everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and today I have for you another design team project for Clear Scraps. I'm so excited that I was asked to stay on as a design team member, an actual design team member. I'm so excited. So we have a new product at Clear Scraps. This is a ta-da! Look at this. It is a house and it is a file box. You got it. Memory-Dex cards. That's right. Super excited. Isn't this fantastic? There's even a fence included. You get this house piece. You get the dowels. You get the pieces that the dowels go into, and then you get the back or the front piece because the house is the backing. So come along and watch this video and I will show you what I am going to do with it. I am going to use a combination of paper and glue and lots of embellishments. And this is going to be a Christmas in July project. So let's get crafty. Okay, so for this project I have all of my pieces ready to go. I am going to be working with this Carta Bella Christmas collection. And I do not see a name for it, but anyway, this is what I'm going to be working with. I like the vintage feel of this collection, and this is the vibe that I want to go with. So I'm going to get my glue and pick out the pages that I want to start working with and get started. This is going to be a process tutorial video, so what I'm going to do to keep my video super short is tell you what I'm going to do and then show you what I'm going to use and go about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, again, I'm going to be working with muted tones of the Christmas colors you see, and I have almost a denim or a slate blue. This is a salmon red. I have a gold, and I'm going to work with white. I like distressed, I like vintage, I like shabby, and this is definitely a vintage collection feel, so that is the direction I'm going to go with. I think it's going to be super beautiful, super cute. I love it. Okay, so I have chosen this gorgeous hunter's green page with a script background, like a typed script background. And what I'm going to do is turn the page over and draw around the wood base. It looks like it'll be really easy. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of fuss. You know, it's all straight lines. And then I will get my craft knife and cut it out. Okay, so as you can see, I even can do this with my scissors. It's nothing but straight lines, and the inside of these notches, I will use my craft knife to cut those out, but it's going to get very quickly here. Takes no time at all to trace around it and cut it out. Okay, so the fence pieces, earlier I said, see, I'm such a weirdo. Okay, so the other large piece is for the bottom, the base. We did cover the house part already. That's the backing. And then you have the short fence piece is going to go on the front. And you have a long fence piece and another long fence piece that are for the sides. So my suggestion is I'm probably going to paint, and the glue tabs, probably not a good idea to cover too much with paper. Then it might not fit in with the backing or the front pieces. Just a side note to think about. Okay, hi guys. So what I have done is I've gone ahead and done the painting. I painted kind of a stain painted the side fence portions right in the bottom, and then what I found out is it's better to glue the side fences to the backing and then glue them to the base. Okay, and you may have to do a little bit of cutting if it's a little on the extra snug side. I used my craft knife. It didn't take too much time at all. I have painted the dowel inserts gold, kind of stained them. I like the stained look like an actual fence. And I'm going to glue one of the dowel insert pieces to the back first. Insert the dowels, glue them, and then do the front. Okay? All right, see you back here after I've struggled with it, but it really goes together quite quickly. Hi everyone, really quick, I have a share here of what I created with Clear Scraps chipboard house file box. These are new products that have just hit the Clear Scraps website, and if you are interested, I will have links down below. As you can see, it is a file index card box, Memory-Dex card if you want. And then also I have these fun holiday file dividers, Memory-Dex cards. We love them, and here they are. Here's the snowflake, the Christmas tree, and Santa's mitten. Isn't it adorable? I used Ranger glazes. That's it. And they came out fantastic. Gosh, the green one. Here's the green one. Here's the green one. And then I used a snowflake. And gosh, it's here somewhere. And I don't think I used the holographic, but I might have here. No, it isn't. It's the white snowflake, and I do not have it here. I don't know why, but it's here somewhere, and I used that. So anyway, thanks so much. I used an Echo Park collection, and I had some fun with the stickers and backed them to some chipboard to use for embellishments. I love how the snowflake came. I mean, I love how they all came out. I even used on this Christmas tree, I used some, oh, I have a weird shadow. Okay, so if you head over to the Clear Scraps website and check out the blog, I believe there are links to possibly some tutorials on how to put this together. I had a deadline, so I really didn't have time to do the actual tutorial. Did I? I show you on the blog how I put it together. So you want to head over to the blog and see how I did it. But I used just some gorgeous ribbon and some gold lace, some, I call it popcorn trim. You can find it at Dollar Tree. These went together extremely quickly. Here's the back. Love, love, love how they came out. Again, the Christmas tree. And like I said, I backed the stickers to cardstock and then fussy cut around them. So much fun, very quick to put together. And then I hit my Christmas stash for all kinds of trims and Christmas trees and embellishments to use. Again, I used the same collection Echo Park. If it was Cartabella, just I will link it down below which one it is, or I will tell you which one it is. And I used some corner savers for the feet. And I had a lot of fun creating this. I had Christmas light trim, and then on the sides here I cut the bulbs off and just placed them. I used some Prima flowers, and then on the back here you can place a picture. One of my lovely friends sent me these cool hidden paper clips, and so you can actually pop a picture there. So this is a fun file box that you can use for Christmas recipes, or even to keep track of whom you are going to send Christmas cards to. So there we go. Again, head over to Clear Scraps and check out all of their awesome products and the blog to see what everyone is up to for your craft-spiration. Have a great day. Thanks again for watching. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my crafty mind came up with awesome Clear Scraps products. See you next time. Bye for now.